men, and I use the term loosely. One of you out there has absolutely been getting your butt reamed by your old lady, and I'll tell you why. You use this blanket. Apparently the birth of your daughter Zoe was commemorated herein. You use this blanket to wrap up motorcycle parts and ship them to me. I don't remember when exactly, but a couple, 3-4 years ago, well, it couldn't have been 4 years ago because it's dated 2020, but a couple of years ago, a guy shipped in some parts, and I don't remember which customer it was, and they were wrapped up in this blanket. And I looked at it at the time and I thought, oh my God, this is, some kid was born on this day, and you wrapped up, a dirty generator or something, and you shipped it to me. And I kind of tossed it aside and didn't think too much about it. I get a lot of stuff wrapped in rags, t-shirts, towels. I mean, some of you out there have sent stuff to me wrapped in perfectly good towels. I mean, good stuff that I've cut up and used for rags. My wife spotted this. She was out in the shop and said, "Where'd you get that from?" I says, "Believe it or not, some guy wrapped up some parts and sent it to me." I says, "I can't believe it. It looks like this was, the birth of a child, and he's wrapped up a, cylinder or a generator or something in it and sent it to me." And she said, "What are you going to use it for?" I says, "I don't know. I'll probably cut it up in rags like I do with all the other stuff." And she says, "Well, let me have that." So I gave it to her, and we've been using it as a bed for the cats. But anyway, if you're tired of getting your butt reamed and you want to redeem yourself, just let me know. I'll send this back to you. I can't imagine the old lady was particularly happy about the disappearance of this here. I can't think of a circumstance in which the birth of a child would be commemorated and then turned into packing for an old motorcycle part. Anyway, hey, if you know who Zoe, I think that's Tyke or Psych Green is, let me know. I'll mail you your blanket back. In the meantime, thanks for watching. Y'all take care. Have a good day. Bye. By the way, I happen to have one child size Ironhead Cycle t-shirt. It's a prototype. Hell, if you want to claim the baby blanket and you have the baby who's no longer a baby, 3-year-old, I don't know, shirt might fit a 3-year-old. Shirt and the blanket are yours for the asking.